In this video, I'll cover a question from somebody, which is, if I charge my company interest, I'll end up paying income tax on that income. So is it worth charging interest? Question here from somebody, which is, if I lend money to my company, do I have to, or am I allowed to charge interest? And if I charge interest, then it might backfire or cause difficulty for me, because I'll have to pay income tax on the interest, and it gets worse for this person, because they think when the property sometimes does not give much returns, I still have to charge interest. Shall be grateful for a reply. So to answer your question, you don't have to charge interest. It's a commercial arrangement, and as a director of a company, when you're lending out money to somebody, even to yourself as a director, you have to act in the best interest of the company. So if you think not charging interest is the right thing to do to yourself, then don't charge interest. There's no compulsion for you to do so. Moving on, if you do charge interest, it depends on your total income. If you're a basic rate taxpayer, you can have £1,000 of savings income, which includes interest, by the way, which is tax-free. If you're a high rate taxpayer, you can have £500 worth of savings income, tax-free. If you're an additional rate taxpayer, i.e. your income's over £150,000, then you pay tax on all of your savings income. So there you could charge some interest there. Then there's other things you can do too, which I won't go into this particular video, in terms of how you can get some more income. But if you've got no income whatsoever, and you want to use up your personal allowance, then you could charge interest up to your personal allowance and pay no tax, and you've got the additional £1,000 as a basic rate taxpayer. Then you've got your starting rate saving allowance, which you could also use. So there's quite a bit you can do depending on your overall income to not pay any tax on the interest personally, depending on your overall income. And if your company is paying you the interest, then the company will get a tax deduction for that element. So it could net out. You could work out to be better off. You can design and control that so that it works for you depending on your overall income. But to answer your question, charge interest if it works for you. Don't charge interest if it doesn't work for you. There's no compulsion for you to do so.